What happens next after medical internship? Hi, I'm jaceriales, an MD-PhD candidate from the Philippines. Just a little background, the MD-PhD program of UP Manila and the OST is an 8-year program. So there are a lot of tracks you can go to, but the general one is the first year being the PhD courses where it's like a bridging or master's. The next 4 years is medical school, followed by 1 year of medical internship, then 2 years of PhD, and then PLE. Mic test. Mic test kasi nag-record na ako last time tapos hindi. Walang audio. Nakakainis. Guys, literally this is more than 15 times na I'm recording this because the mic is just not working when I officially start recording. Check natin. So I'm recording again. Sana meron na. So I'm gonna make this a 3-part series, this video being the second one because it's just too long to compress 9 months into one vlog. So the announcement I said in part 1, I promise that I will announce it in the third and last part of this series because it's just perfect to be placed there because after that, it will be the start of that new journey. In my previous vlog, I shared about what happens next after medical internship of an MD-PhD student. In this video, it will be a continuation of that vlog before I officially start my PhD dissertation or research. Throughout this video, I also have coffee shop recommendations where you can study out both in Bukidnon and in Manila, just like in the previous vlog. If you want to know what happens next after medical internship of an MD-PhD student, coffee shop and restaurant recommendations, and beautiful places in Bukidnon and also in Manila since I go back and forth, then just keep on watching. Good morning. I moved out of Manila back to my home province, Bukidnon. More of that in my previous vlog. Now let's unbox some balikbayan boxes that I sent home a few weeks ago. I sent it via courier. Ewan, basta pinadala via cargo ship. So ayun, sinearch ko na courier daw. Courier. The first box that we opened contains boxes of gadgets and documents, books, notebooks, notes, handbooks, etc. One box down. So I'm feeling productive today, so let's open another box. This box is composed of miscellaneous stuff, so there are blankets, masks, very randomly put together because they are from my shelves, table, cabinets. Just a special mention, this study lamp has been with me since college, so it's 11 years old already. That box also contained 20 kilograms of weights. Box 2 done. Break time for unpacking. It's almost Christmas, so we're having our annual family Christmas party. This is a perfect weather to just stay in bed and do nothing. The rain eventually stopped, so let's go outside. Ang sarap lang mag-drive dito kasi everywhere you look, there are beautiful views to look at and the air is so fresh. Guys, you should visit Bukidnon. Now let's go to Cagayan de Oro. You should try out Centro. They have the best nachos. I met with my college barkada who are based here in Mindanao. We do this annually or more. And the next day with my high school classmates in the same resto. So remember I mentioned about writing my PhD dissertation proposal. So I'll be presenting it in January, just right after New Year. This is one of my mock proposal defenses, and since our internet in our house is so slow, I had to set up outside. Ang daming lamok. Status post rewind. May bakas pa ng lupa. So I'm back home again. While I was away, another balikbayan box arrived, so it's time to unbox this one. Its contents are kitchen stuff and others from my closet and shelves. It's a mixture of a lot of categories, so it also has documents, books, and many more.
Okay, box done.
I still remember when we bought that whiteboard so we could write down all the things we'd die for. Sometimes I'd rather die than live a life without you. But I'm still living with the expectation that our love was only on vacation. I couldn't change your mind in time. Now he's filling in these empty lines on this whiteboard.
Ayaw, sige, too close to me. Bakit? Hindi mong kakatumba ng slippers. Uy. Dalan. Nanay dalan. Finally, nanay dalan na clearing. Pine tree ma. Finally. Woo. Thank you, Lord. Finally.
Thank you, Lord.
Woo. Hey, thank you, Lord.
We had so much left to figure out. These black ink dreams, they
Yay!
Yay!
Nanay Road!
Yay!
Back on the other side. So dira may ganina sa taas. Ambot kung asa may napadulong dira na part, basta kay nakabaad to mi dito sa pine tree there sa other side. Tapos tuyok, and now we're back after 5 hours. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 hours. Quota sa hiking for
Ayaw, dito
sa adventure for
Ayaw
this
sa
month.
lingkod.
Hello. Welcome back.
Heart on your